Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of Brantford's newest subdivision. It's actually one most locals don't even know anything about. It's called Nature's Grand, tucked in here, built by LIV Communities right against the Grand River. Imagine living with 100 acres of conservation land right at your doorstep and direct access to Brantford's breathtaking river trail system. And the best part, you're only 3 minutes from the highway. Let me show you this 2,350 square foot home. It's only 1 year old, it's packed with over $100,000 of builder upgrades, and it could be yours. If you're ready to make Brantford home, Nature's Grand could be your destination. Send me a DM to book your showing of this home.